The world of investment banking is changing faster than ever before. Technology is evolving, regulations are tightening, and business is relying on more data-driven decisions. So what does this mean for business analysts? Will our job will be replaced by AI, or maybe we are stepping in the era of more high-impact roles? In today's video, I would like to explore how business analysts in investment banking must adapt, upskill, and also adopt technology in order to stay relevant in the fast-moving industry. And if you're new here, I'm business analyst, I'm working in investment banking, and I'm also MBA and CQA qualified. One of the biggest shifts we are seeing is the rise of artificial intelligence and automation in investment banking. In the past, business analysts would spend many hours in order to collect the data and analyze in the Excel spreadsheet, but using AI, this can be done in seconds. Take financial reporting, for example. Traditionally, business analysts will pull the data from different resources, clean it up, and then prepare the reports, which later will be presented to the senior management. But now so many analytics platforms available in the market, like Bloomberg Terminal, which can automatically fetch and analyze the data, providing real-time insights. So how business analysts must adapt? First, master AI tools. Start from gaining proficiency in Python language, which will help you to harness AI capabilities. The second is automate routine tasks. For example, work on the automation, the repetitive task, so it will help you to free up more time for more complex analysis. Now I would like to talk about the role of data-driven decision-making in the future of the investment banking. Investment banking, it's not anymore about intuition and experience. Banks are relying more and more on the business analysts in order to provide more strategic and real-time insights. Imagine investment banking is working on the multi-million merger deal for a client. Instead of just simply analyzing the financial statements of the company, business analyst also uses predictive analytics in order to assess market conditions, economic risk, which is helping bankers to make more informed decisions faster. The key skills that business analyst is expected to possess, firstly, is the proficiency in analytical tools. In one of my videos, I talk about different free resources that you can use in order to enhance your program language skills. Another important skill here is understanding big data. You need to learn how to navigate and interpret a large data of the information to uncover actionable insight. And of course, strategic and clear communications. You need to know how to translate a complex data findings into the clear and strategic recommendation to your stakeholders. Now let's talk briefly about the digital assets in the investment banking. Digital assets, blockchain, are started to become a part of the financial instruments which are traded in the platform of the investment banking, and some of the banks are already participating in it. And business analysts need to understand how those technologies impacting banking transactions. Let's say a company decides to issue tokenized bonds instead of traditional ones. As the business analyst, you will need to understand how blockchain can enable faster, more secure, and cost-effective transaction compared to the traditional one. According to McKinsey, tokenized financial assets are moving from pilot to at-scale deployment, with the first application transactioning trillions of dollars of assets on chain per month. So based on their analysis, they are saying that they expect the total tokenized market capitalization would reach around $2 trillion by 2030, which is excluding cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and stable coins like Tether. So how here business analyst needs to prepare? First is understanding tokenization. You need to have a good grasp of the digital assets representation and their impact on the traditional banking. The second is stay informed on regulations. Legal frameworks, it's always evolving, and especially now it's so important to understand how it's covered digital assets to ensure compliance. Let's talk now about regulation and compliance. Regulatory compliance has always been critical in investment banking, but because of increasing of the financial scrutiny, the role of the business analyst in compliance is more important than ever. For example, if a bank is involved in the cross-border merger and acquisition deals, so here we have different countries which might have different compliance regulations. And business analyst here needs to ensure that financial models, risk assessments, reporting are aligned with the worldwide regulation, for example, like Basel III. So how business analysts here can stay ahead? Work very closely with the compliance department, make sure you're able to interpret and also implement the latest regulatory changes. The second is implement compliance tools. Utilize automated tools which will help you to report and monitor compliance status in real time. And of course, it's continuous learning and education. Stay up to date on the regulatory development to anticipate and address any compliance challenges. So what does it all mean for a business analyst in investment banking? Simply put, you need to evolve. Traditional business analyst skill set working in the Excel and only in PowerPoint, it's not enough anymore. So what are the initial skill sets that you need to focus? First is technology proficiency. You need to embrace yourself as the emerging technology like AI and analytical data tools. The second is the financial expertise. You need to have a deep understanding of the financial instruments, including digital assets and tokenized securities. And of course, soft skills. Enhance your communication with stakeholders, strategic thinking, and problem-solving capabilities in order to effectively influence decision-making. Imagine two business analysts applying for the promotion. One business analyst only knows how to analyze and interpret data using Excel, and another can easily build automated dashboard, analyze significant amount of data using program languages like Python and SQL. So guess which one might get promotion more faster? So to conclude here, as we have seen, the investment banking industry transforming, so is the role of the business analyst. And in order to stay up to date in that fast-moving industry, you need to be willing to adapt, learn new skills, be innovative. And if you enjoyed this video, you might also like this one, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. And thank you very much for watching me, and see you in the next video.